Members of New Checkon Women's Society, Imphal and IDPs taking shelter at various relief camps blocked roads at New Checkon area today, protesting the fresh attack launched by Kuki militants at Torbung and Phougakchao areas yesterday. Speaking on the sidelines, New Checkon Women's Society, Imphal Secretary Huidrom Malini strongly condemned the attack, stating that the government is unable to take up any tangible actions against the Kuki armed groups. Citing failure in maintaining law and order in Kuki inhabited areas, she further decried that security forces have set Kuki armed persons free while heavily cracking down against armed persons in valley districts. Malini added that they will take on agitations until the security forces collect all arms possessed by Kukis.
Torbung daga sang bayari na karab mi sa sang bahurakan da moni amu sita bagi maungda maram di akoi jibu nga sagi moina phagi phanagi type ta ngayok sa phuda yok panga gi type ta phaning ma matam da pharaga saba kai sum lai ta ba khoi je haning ma matam da harpa moina tawning da mo ga tawraga akoi isa singe da khulai mi ando loi sinaga re moina kem da roina santi goina karab ba khagi santi no kuki singa kaning ma matam da kapa haning ma matam da hapa phaning ma matam da phaba akoi ta mi oi ma khoi jibu mai dai ai ba sin se tu ban lagi ai ra ba ha lagi ai ra ba akoi